Okay, so what do we have here? Xbox bag, green, black edges, more fun. Controller, Xbox Live. Controller, all in one. So today I am unboxing the new Xbox Elite controller, white. And for free I got Pro Gamer grips. I don't know if you can see that very well there. So we'll unbox that one a little bit later. But it came in this nice little carry bag. I don't know if it's any good for anything other than the controller, but we'll see. I'm sure I can find some shit to put in there. So, the box, very sturdy, got some serious weight to it. Looks like there's a few different languages on the back there. Shows you on the side everything that is included in the kit. Elite Special Edition. Once again, showing you everything that's in there. Okay, so I guess we should get to it. Nice sturdy box. Very nice case, same as the black one for the original Elite, but this one's in grey and has a white handle. There's a bit of cardboard, some batteries, a nice Xbox cord, some manuals, regulatory warranty, and that seems like it. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, that's it. Good solid box, so I'll keep that for something. That's rubbish. Instructions. Okay, this is what it's all about. Beautiful white controller. Oh, the button's already on it this time. It's typical for an Xbox controller, it's very small for the hand. But that's going to be fixed by these. A bit of cushion in there. Okay. So maybe this might be a good box for my drone and shit. That's just a cushion that sits in there, but it doesn't, it's not glued in. It's okay. So as per usual, magnetic buttons. These ones are grey, not black like the originals. There's a bunch of paddles here. These ones just pop out. They're magnetic as well. The risers for the buttons. I must say it feels very light compared to the original Elite controller. It doesn't feel like it's got the quality in it. I'm sure it's exactly the same. And it comes with some higher buttons. They get your thumbs sitting a little bit higher, and these ones are higher still. Wow, that's really high. And comes with the original cross shape D-pad. Oh, okay, so it doesn't work because I haven't put the batteries in.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's trying to connect. I haven't got my Xbox turned on at the moment, but there you have it. This is what you get in the box with the Elite controller. Okay, so the controller I received also came with these Pro Gamer grips for Xbox One. Oh, there's something else in there as well. They're a new product on the market. And in the box came a couple of joystick swabs. Yep, they fit pretty well. They're quite low profile, so that's quite nice, keeps it nice and light and sexy. That's the left one. That's the right one. Oh, that feels much better. So these programmer grips increase the surface area and the hand position. It's much nicer to hold on to. Oh, actually that fits nice and well there. Now they have to be fitted properly, which involves heating them up in boiled water, fitting them on very tightly, but we'll do that a little bit later in a different video. So there you have it, the Xbox Elite controller with the Pro Gamer grip.